Hello, children. How are you? Hope that you all are fine. Today, we are going to learn about demonstrative in your Unit 8, a visit to the zoo. Okay, children, let's discuss about demonstratives. You can see there are four demonstratives here. First one is this. Second one is that. Third one is these. Fourth one is those. So today we are going to talk about this, that, these and those. Okay, you can see there are four pictures here. So now I'm going to describe about the usage of this, that, these and those. We use this to point out singular things that are near. We use that to point out singular things that are far. We use these to point out plural things that are near. We use those to point out plural things that are far. අපි this කියන word එක පාවිච්චි කරනවා අපි ළඟ තියෙන එක දෙයක් ගැන විස්තර කරන්න. Look at the example. This book. අපි that කියන word එක පාවිච්චි කරනවා ඈත තියෙන එක දෙයක් ගැන විස්තර කරන්න. Look at the example. That book. අපි these කියන word එක පාවිච්චි කරනවා අපි ළඟ තියෙන ගොඩක් දේවල් ගැන විස්තර කරන්න. Look at the example. These books. අපි those කියන word එක පාවිච්චි කරනවා අපිට ඈතින් තියෙන ගොඩක් දේවල් ගැන විස්තර කරන්න. As an example, those books. So I hope that you have got a clear idea about the usage of this, that, these and those. Now let's move on to some examples. Okay, you can see there are four pictures here. What is the first picture? Yes, you can see an apple here. Right. The apple is near. So, this is an apple. Look at the second one. The apple is far. So, that is an apple. Look at the third one. You can see there are three apples. The apples are near. These are apples. Look at the last picture. Yes, there are three apples. Those apples are far. So, those are apples. Okay, you can see there are some more examples here. Okay, children, let's read those examples aloud. This is a monkey. That is a kite. This is a book. That is a library. These are cats. Those are buses. These are trees. Those are stars. We use this and these to point out the things that are near. අපි this කියන එකයි these කියන word එකයි පාවිච්චි කරනවා අපි ළඟ තියෙන දේවල් විස්තර කරන්න. We use this with singular nouns. අපි this කියන එක පාවිච්චි කරන්නේ ඒක වචන නාමපදත් එක්ක. We use these with plural nouns. අපි these කියන word එක පාවිච්චි කරනවා බහුවචන නාමපදත් එක්ක. We use that and those to point out to the things that are far. අපි that කියන word එකයි those කියන word එකයි පාවිච්චි කරනවා අපිට ඈතින් තියෙන දේවල් ගැන විස්තර කරන්න. We use that with singular nouns. අපි that කියන word එක ඒකවචන නාමපදත් එක්ක පාවිච්චි කරනවා. We use those with plural nouns. අපි those කියන word එක බහුවචන නාමපදත් එක්ක පාවිච්චි කරනවා. Right. Now let's do some activities. Okay. Right. Let's read the first activity. What you have to do there? You have to put in this or these. Right. Look at the first word here. Shall we read the first word? Okay. The word is book. So that is a singular noun. You have to use this book. Read the second word. What is that word? Books. So that is a plural noun. You have to use these books. Okay, children, I hope that you can do the rest of the activity now. Let's move on to second one. Here you have to use put in that or those. Look at the first word. Yes, the first word is house. Look at the first word. The first word is house. Right. House is a singular noun. You have to use that house. Look at the second one. The word is houses. So that is a plural noun. You have to use those houses. Okay, children, let's move on to our third activity. Right? Here, what you have to do is change the sentences into plural. Read the first sentence. This book is good. Here, what you have to do is change the sentences into plural. Okay, now we are going to change this sentence into plural. This book is good. These books are good. This office is near the bank. These offices are near the bank. Let's move on to the next activity. Here you have to use this, that, these or those. Let's take the first one. This is my ball in my hand and that is your ball over there. Look at the second one. This is my cup here and that is your cup on the table over there. Right. This is our last activity. Yes, you can see there are some beautiful pictures here. What is the first picture? Yes, it is a cat. Actually, it is a face of a cat. Right. What you have to do is you have to complete the blanks using this, that, these and those. Okay. What is the first answer? Yes. What is this? Look at the second one. Yes, there is a snake. So you have to use what is that because the snake is far from us. So what is that? Look at the third picture. Yes, you can see there are 3 red color cars. So what is the answer for the third question? What are these? Let's move on to fourth question. Yes, you can see there are 2 books here. Those books are far from us. So what you have to use what are those? Okay, children, I hope that you can do the rest of the activity now. So, I think you have got a clear idea about the usage of this, that, these and those. So, now you have to do activity 3 in your pupils book, page number 75. This is the end of my presentation. Today we have learned about demonstratives. What are the demonstratives? This, that, these and those. So thank you for being with me. Have a nice day. Goodbye children. Stay safe.